3, 2, 1, go!
Watch me give my man another reason why he should put a ring on it. Hot honey tenders with mac and cheese, marinating the chicken. Rest for 1 to 2 hours overnight. The coating.
Calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life,
The milk coating.
If I tell you, say I love you, you know they for me, young girl, oh young girl. No, tell me, no.
Coat the chicken in the flour mix, the milk, and then back in the flour.
Baby, gon' give me your lo.
Rest for at least 10 minutes. Fry till golden brown, or burn it if you hate it. Hot honey glaze.
I see this fine girl from my party, she wear yellow. Every other girl they do too much, but this girl mellow. Now you might find
mac and cheese sauce.
I'm mellow. Finally I find way to talk to the girl, but she ain't no one follow. Who you gonna phone for?
If he doesn't marry me after this, I'm sending him to jail.
I know, say she's a bit busted down one. But she feeling insecure, cause her friends could they come a light ring go up. Could they come a light ring go up. Baby, calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom. If I tell you, say I love you, you know they for me, young girl. No, tell me no.
Bake for 10 to 15